So this is going to be how to bypass your lid switch on a Kenmore 500 or Kenmore series newer washer. So as you can see, my tub is full of water. The switches used to be up here. They're not. They're back here. A new switch is like $850. Appliance repair centers will want like $150 to repair one of these. I don't have the time or money to waste on that. So you're gonna want to get a putty knife or a screwdriver and slide under each side right here, and then you're going to lift it up just like such. And this is what you're going to want to be looking for, this one right here. Alright, so you want to pull that sucker out of there, and the wires to cut are going to be the white wire and the gray wire. After you strip the wires, you want to connect the white one and the gray one. You're going to want to spin the wires counterclockwise. It'll end looking like that. Ideally, you'd want to use a wire nut. However, in my case, I'm using electrical tape because that's what I have on hand. As you can see, I used electrical tape to block off these connectors as well. After you have that all capped off, you just want to put it back in the same way. Just like that. Get everything back into place. And plug it in. And there you have it, how to bypass the lid switch on a Kenmore 500 or Kenmore style washer.